Dive into the exciting world of AI development as we unlock the power of Nano Banana by integrating it seamlessly into Google AI Studio. Our journey begins by creating a new project within Google AI Studio. This will serve as our sandbox for all things Nano Banana. The core of our integration lies in connecting with the Nano Banana API. Think of this as granting Google AI Studio permission to speak directly with Nano Banana's advanced capabilities. We'll then focus on how to effectively embed these API calls within your project. This isn't just about pasting code. It's about understanding the communication flow and what information needs to be sent and received. Next, we'll explore the art of code customization. This is where your creativity truly shines, allowing you to tailor Nano Banana's responses and functionalities to your specific project needs. We'll delve into strategies for building robust AI projects, demonstrating how to leverage Nano Banana's unique features to create innovative applications. From understanding conversational AI nuances to implementing sophisticated data processing, this guide provides the essential steps for developers and AI enthusiasts to harness the full potential of Nano Banana within the Google AI Studio ecosystem. Get ready to revolutionize your AI development.